Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fisher's Off-Road, and in this video we're going to be adding a Yamaha front brush guard to our RMAX. It's not a real difficult install, really won't take that long, so let's go ahead and get it started. Alright guys, we're this far into the install and we're to the point to where we're about to put the brush guard on here, and we're going to cover up the front here of the winch. We won't be able to see it. What I want to do before I do that is replace this wire rope with synthetic rope. I'm not a fan of wire, but I love synthetic, so since I'm this far into it, I'm going to go ahead and change it out. Well, there we go, y'all. That's a wrap on the Yamaha front brush guard for the RMAX. And really, overall, it wasn't that difficult, just a little bit more time consuming than what I thought it was going to be. But then also, I put the synthetic rope on here, and the Hoss fairly got rid of the wire rope. So that took me a little bit longer, too. Something I want to caution you about on this project, if you do it yourself, is watch the edges when you trim these off on these plastic pieces here. They can be a little tricky, so just watch what you're doing, measure it a few times and cut it, and make sure you get it nice and straight with the brush guard there. So other than that, it was a pretty cool install. I think it makes it look a whole lot better. If you want more info, you can go to shopyamaha.com or your local Yamaha dealer. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.